Mastering your SAT and ACT study plan. Hey there, future test takers. Today, we're diving deep into how you can create an effective study plan for the SAT and ACT. The key to acing these tests? Preparation. And a well-structured study plan is your roadmap to success. Let's dive in. Creating a study plan is crucial. Why? Here's why. Direction. A plan provides a clear path of what to study, when, and for how long. Efficiency. With a plan, you make the best use of your time. Reduced stress. Knowing you're on track reduces anxiety leading up to the test. Accountability. A plan keeps you on task, ensuring you cover all necessary topics. Before you dive in, figure out where you stand. 1. Take a practice test. Begin with a full-length practice test for either SAT or ACT. This gives you a baseline score. 2. Analyze results. Which areas did you excel in? Where did you struggle? 3. Set a goal. What's your target score? Knowing this will guide your prep intensity. Once you know your starting point. 1. Determine study duration. If you have 6 months versus 3 weeks, your approach will differ. 2. Consistency is key. Set aside regular, consistent study times. Whether it's every day for an hour or every weekend for 3 hours, stick to it. 3. Vary subjects. Don't get stuck on one topic. Rotate subjects to keep things fresh. Your study material can make or break your prep. 1. Official guides. The SAT and ACT official guides are gold. They offer real test questions. 2. Study groups. Engaging in group discussions can help clarify doubts and reinforce concepts. 3. Tutoring. If you can, consider hiring a tutor or attending prep classes for personalized feedback. Your study plan isn't set in stone. 1. Take regular practice tests. This helps track progress. 2. Adjust as needed. If you find you're consistently scoring high in reading but low in math, adjust your study time to focus more on math. 3. Stay adaptable. If something isn't working, or you find a better resource, be ready to adapt your plan. There you have it. Creating a study plan for the SAT and ACT might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach and dedication, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, it's not about how much time you spend, but how effectively you use that time. Best of luck, and here's hoping this video paves your way to a fantastic score.